Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to install and configure PostgreSQL Server 18.3 on Ubuntu 24.04. Then we will connect from the PSQL and dbeaver. Okay, first open the default browser that comes with Ubuntu Linux, that is Firefox. Then go to PostgreSQL official website, it is postgresql.org. See here, at the time of making this video, the latest release is 18.3. Click on download or click on this download button, both are same. Then click on Linux, then select Ubuntu. See, the PostgreSQL APT repository supports the current versions of 26.04, 25.10, 24.04 and 22.04. Okay, I'm on 24.04. Now open terminal and execute these commands one by one. These three commands are going to import the repository signing key. So copy these three one by one. See, both are already near versions. Now import repository signing key. Now create the repository configuration file. Copy this entire command. Now update the package sudo apt update. Now install PostgreSQL Server. Sudo apt install PostgreSQL -18. If you want to install 17, give 17. So give -18, hit enter. Type 5 for confirmation and hit enter. See, we have successfully installed PostgreSQL Server 18.3 and see here the default value is max connections 100, shared buffer size 128 megabytes and this is the default time zone. Now verify the status of the PostgreSQL Server. Sudo control A, sudo systemctl status PostgreSQL. See, PostgreSQL Server is active and it is started 54 seconds ago and service status is enabled. If we took it, now connect to PostgreSQL Server. Sudo su-postgres PSQL. See, we have successfully connected and this is not the version of the PostgreSQL Server, it is PSQL client version. To verify the version of the PostgreSQL Server, we have to run the command select version. See, we have installed PostgreSQL Server 18.3. Go to quit. Control A. The first step after connecting to PostgreSQL Server is we have to set the password for super user, that is Postgres. So first we fill list of users /du. See, we have only one user, that is Postgres. You can also get the list of the users by running select username from pg_user. See, we got the same. Okay, now set the password for this user. Alter user Postgres with password. Here whatever is there in single or double quotes, it is the password. We have successfully set the password. Now verify list of databases. See, these are the default databases. Go to quit. You can also get the list of the databases by running select dat name from pg_database. Now create database. See, you have created database and this is one of the database. Go to quit. Control A. Now switch to this database and create a table. To switch to database, we have to use the command /c or connect. Both are same. Then provide the name of the database. See, you are now connected to database bank as user Postgres. Now verify list of tables. See, you don't have any tables. Now create table. See, we have created table customer in public schema and this is the one of the table. Now insert some data into this table. See, we have inserted these rows. Now we will create user. As I told you, whatever is there in singular double quotes, it is the password. Here, David8123 is the password. See, we have created user David. Now exit from the current session and connect to PostgreSQL server with this user. /q PSQL -h means host name. Localhost is fine because PostgreSQL server is installed on this one. -u must be caps. Then username is David -d Postgres. Then provide the password. As I told you, whatever is there in singular double quotes, that is the password. We have successfully connected. Let us verify the currently logged in user. Select current_user. See, we have logged into the PostgreSQL server with the user David. Now try to access the database that you have created. Now try to run the query against the table that is there in this database. See, permission unit for table customer, because we have created user but haven't granted any privileges. That's why we have received this error. Exit. Now we'll see how to stop, start and restart PostgreSQL server 18.3 on Ubuntu 24.04. But the commands are same for all Ubuntu versions. We can't stop or start with this Postgres user. So exit, sudo systemctl stop PostgreSQL. Now verify the status. See, PostgreSQL server is inactive or dead. Q to quit. Also verify by trying to connect to PostgreSQL server. See, we are unable to connect. So start it again. Sudo systemctl start PostgreSQL. Now verify the status. See, we have started 2 seconds ago. Q to quit. If you want to restart, sudo systemctl restart PostgreSQL. See, we have restarted 3 seconds ago. Q to quit, Control L. Okay. Until now, we have connected PostgreSQL server by using PSQL Connect. We can also connect PostgreSQL server by using dbeaver. I have already installed dbeaver. See here, I have already installed. Open it. Now click on this plus plugin button or go to database and select new database connection. Then select PostgreSQL. Then click on next. PostgreSQL is installed on this one, so localhost is fine. Port number 5432. Database Postgres. Select the checkbox. Then username, we have the Postgres. Then provide the password that you have set for this Postgres user. Then click on test connection. See, successfully connected PostgreSQL server version number 18.3. Click on OK. Click on finish. Now expand the connection. Expand databases. See, you have the database bank. If you want to run queries against this database, right click. Then SQL editor. Then open SQL console. Now we can perform the queries. Go to schemas, public schema, tables. We have the table customer. Let us run the query against this table. Select the query and click on this execute button. See, you got the output. If you want to create database, right click, create new database, then provide the name of the database, testdb. Click on OK. See, new database is created. Even you can find from the terminal as well. See, we have created database testdb. Okay. Now we will see config files, data and log directory locations. So config_file. So hba_file. So data_directory. So log_directory. See, both these are in the same directory. Okay. So in this video we have seen how to install and configure PostgreSQL Server 18.3 on Ubuntu 24.04 LTS version. Then we have seen how to connect from the PSQL and dbeaver. Okay. For more database or Linux tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.